Okay, so here we are with the new Gladiator. The one thing about this that we need to show, because unlike this with all of the Wranglers, you can put the panels in through the back door. There's no back door in this, so the panels are a little too long. You can't get them in place. What you have to do is just lift the front of this top up, piece of 2x4. You have a little more room to go, and I'm going to show you what bolts we removed. We removed these two bolts, one's here and one's there. Okay, now come around down inside. Pull your seat down. There is 6 bolts around the back. We didn't even take them out, we just loosened them up. So they're all loose, which gives it a decent amount of play. You could still go up further. And granted, this top's very small. If you got 2 guys, you want to take it off, totally fine, easy to do. Just take it off and install it that way. We tell people not to take the Wrangler hardtops off because they're so big, and you can install a whole headliner kit in the amount of time it takes you to take it off. Okay, so now we have the bolts loose, the 2x4s in place. I'm going to grab the panels. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to prep this first. So have it all scuffed, cleaned really well. You got your front part sitting on a 2x4. See, these won't, they're too big to go into place without lifting the top up a little. And you put them in just like this sideways, and then just turn them. You gotta come down there a little bit, and they will slide right into place. So slide that one into place, and do the same with this one. They're a little tight, but they do go. And so then once you get them in place, and you're gonna already have your tape off. What you want to do is put them up in place, slide them forward to where they touch, and then just kind of push up lightly. You don't have the front bolts in. Before you push up firmly, you want to get out and put your front bolts in and tighten all your bolts up. Then push up firmly on both the panels. That's it.